Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials, and in this video we're continuing our Windows 11 for Beginner series. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Opera browser on Windows 11. So to get started here, I am just going to open up Microsoft Edge. Everyone should have Microsoft Edge installed by default on Windows 11. So I'm just going to search for Opera download in the search bar up here, and I'm going to hit enter or return on my keyboard. Okay, so we can see we have Opera browser download, free download here. So let me just click on this link, and this will take us to the Opera website to begin to download. Now I'm just going to accept the cookies, and I'll exit out of this. And I'm just going to click this download now button. Okay, so your new Opera browser is ready to install. So let's just give it a second here. Okay, so we can see the Opera setup.exe is here. So I'm just going to click this. I'm actually just going to click the actual Opera setup.exe here. And this should begin to open things up for us now. So let's just give it 2 minutes. Perfect. So it's now popping up. Do we want to accept and install? So I'll say yes. I'm just going to accept, and we can see it's downloading and starting. One thing just to mention, if you have any issue clicking here, the Opera in setup will always be in your downloads folder. So come into your Windows Explorer and click downloads and click Opera. Okay, so we can see it's still downloading here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pause the video momentarily while this is downloading. Okay, great. We can see Opera has started here, and we can see, sorry, it's saying, would you like to pin, but I'm in the way. So it's saying, would you like to pin Opera browser, your installer? I'm not saying no thanks. I'm not going to pin that for the moment. So let me just put myself back down here. So I'm just going to click to get started now, and let's see what happens here first. Um, I'm just going to let it follow my system settings. We'll click next. Select the wallpaper. We'll just click any of these and we'll click next. Turn on ad blocker. Yeah, I'm going to block ads. That's always nice to not see as many of those ads. Um, I'm not really interested in adding any of my social media, so I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to click later. That will do it for us now. Give it 2 seconds. I'll try it again. Perfect. Okay, cool. So there we are. We now have Opera installed. Let me just maximize this. Yeah, I'm going to say, yeah, it's my first time installing Opera. And how did you hear about it? I'm just going to say my own research and we'll click submit. Cool. And there we are. We have now installed Opera on Windows 11. If I just close everything here for the moment and close here, let me just close it. You can now see Opera browser on your desktop, so you can just double click Opera and you're then using the Opera web browser. I do hope that was helpful. If it was, please do like and subscribe. Any issues or queries, please do comment below. And if I can help, I certainly will. And as always, thank you for watching.